Very warm welcome to all the viewers. Welcome to Commander Rathore YouTube channel, which is the only official YouTube channel of Defense Select Academy Bhopal. I am Abhijit Singh Arora, Head of Training at RS Defense Select Academy Bhopal, and today we are going to talk about a very easy topic. But in this topic, I am sure most of you are making a mistake. And the topic is dictionary. So you might be thinking, why are we discussing such an easy topic? You guys will understand this in a few seconds. So very easily to help you understand this, I will pick up a question. So such kind of questions are asked a lot in the DIPR series number 1. So generally there are two booklets given to you. Two tests are being conducted in the OIR test. So one is test number 1 and one is test number 2. So in the first test, such kind of verbal questions are asked, wherein it will be told, write the number of the word which will come last in the dictionary. So generally what people do is, they try to write the answer. So for an example, here it is said that we have to write the number of the word which will come last in the dictionary. So people would see that, okay, so this C, this comes first, this also comes first, this comes first. So P, this people comes last. So in the answer page, what would be given to them, they would write people, but this is wrong. Here it is said, write the number of the word which will come last in the dictionary. So the answer has to be 1. Hope this is making sense to you. I have personally seen many students during the mock practice or the mock drill that they write the answer, whereas it was clearly told to you that write the number of the word which will come last in the dictionary. So this is a very easy topic in which, just how when we scroll through a dictionary and we try to see where the word is, what we do is, the dictionary is arranged in the alphabetic order from A to Z. So obviously C comes before, and so in all these 4 words, people would come last in the dictionary. And what is asked here? To write the number of the word, and the number of this word is 1, and that is why the answer would be 1. So this is a very silly mistake, very casual mistake which most of the students do. And believe me, if you guys would have written people over there or P over there, that answer would have been treated as incorrect, and you would have missed out on obtaining 1 mark. So similarly, again, if this question comes, so what will be the answer? You guys can pause and immediately think of the answer. All right. So the answer is 2. Why? Read the question carefully. It's asked, which number of the word will come first in the dictionary? Now it is not asking you about the last word which will come in the dictionary, but about the first word. And as you guys can see, this letter starts with T, traffic starts with T, vaccination starts with V, judgment starts with J, and helicopter starts with H. And in A to Z dictionary, H would be the first one. So the answer will be 2. Now this is generally where some of the students think how to solve this in the quickest time possible. So first of all, here it is asked, number of the word which will come last in the dictionary. So all of these starts with U, immediately come to the second alphabet. So here R is mentioned, T is mentioned, N is mentioned, M is mentioned. So T would come in the last in A to Z alphabetic order. And here it is asked about the last word in the dictionary. So utmost would be placed in the last. So when we'll placed urgent, university, umbrella, utmost. So utmost would come in the end. And in such cases, here it is asked, write the number of the word. So the right answer has to be option number 2. So you guys would have realized that this was a very easy topic, wherein you have to understand which word would come in the end in the dictionary, or which word would come in the beginning of the dictionary out of the given options. So at times you have to be very careful. All the times you have to be very careful whether the question is asked to write the number of the word, or to write the word itself, or to write the first letter of the word. I hope you guys are understanding the different possibilities of this question. So just keep these things in your mind, and then solving this question is very easy. So you cannot afford to have a miss on such kind of questions. ऐसे सवालों में तो हमको 2 से 3 सेकंड में सही जवाब निकालना ही निकालना है बिना कोई चूक किए. So that is why we are doing this OIR series, so you guys can score OIR 1 in your officer's intelligence rating test, which is a part of your screening test of your SSB procedure. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you, and please do keep watching our videos. We'll come up with the subsequent syllabus also of the verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Thank you everybody for watching.